Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's open up the settings app, and from there scroll all the way down to general management, tap on reset, and here you should see factory data resets. Tap on it. It will give you a list of everything that will remove, so that includes your Google account, system of data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, all user data. So what it basically says, it removes everything that you put on the device yourself. Anything that has come with the device the moment you have finished the setup will be on there, but anything else is completely removed. So from there, once you're ready, you can tap on reset. If you have a pattern, you need to confirm it, delete all, and the process will begin now. Oh, it looks like I need to first so I have to actually confirm it. Apparently Samsung account requires a confirmation, so let me just put in the password on the screen. Hopefully it's the same. Okay, there we go. Yep, so the moment I pressed enter to confirm it, it turns off and begins the process. So this will take probably about a minute or two, and once it's finished we should see the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is actually visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.